tried to get out at 10 o'clock. It's about almost 11:30.
Yeah, we tried. Yeah, well, 10:30, 11-ish, you know.
I think you're going to really enjoy this town that we're going to. We have been trying to get here for many, many years.
We keep trying to get here, but we don't get here because we keep finding towns on the way that are so interesting that we stop and we don't have any day left, and we, you know, I have to go back to work. So, okay, we're going to try to get next week.
Hey, come along with us. It's the town of many murals. We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Welcome to Paducah, Kentucky. One of the things that Paducah is known for is the murals. How many murals? 50?
50.
Isn't that like a record?
I haven't heard of any other city that actually has that many.
Great way to be greeted. Look at this monster. Compare it to the people over there. Man, you get to walk right up on it. Don't climb on train. No problem. I don't think I could get up there. The reason the murals are here is because people were hoping you wouldn't see what was behind the murals. Look at this, but what the city wanted was for you not to notice it was a big, ugly gray wall, a flood wall, and I think they did a good job. Wow, that's realistic. Beautiful artwork. They said it was good, and that's what drew us down here. They weren't kidding. According to what we found out, all these murals tell a different story. They get the whole story on this Boy Scouts. It's different equipment and uniforms throughout the 100 years since 150 years now, yeah, since 1910?
It was 1910 to 2010.
Hey, hon, found a mural that's making history. Look at this. You may never see that again. Gulf of Mexico? It was called Atomic City because Paducah used to produce the uranium, remember?
Oh, that's right.
Welcome to Atomic City.
They didn't have it very long until they closed it.
That's true, and I bet this dates back to the 50s. What do you bet? Atomic City, that kind of name?
Yeah.
Atomic City.
Very interesting.
The city of the future. Yep, that's what it's about. Look, the dawn of the atomic age. Interesting.
51.
1951. Look at this. The A boom. Atomic boom in Paducah. Yeah, they shut it down though. Had to decontaminate some stuff, but back in the day, at one time, they do have murals of lighthearted moments. One of the reasons I came down this way, you've got to see this. Look at this road. This is actual brick, and it is lumpy and bumpy. We drove down this once. Thought I was going to lose an axle, but man, was it fun. Thought you might want to see this. This still lives in Paducah. It's not very long, only like a block, but it's enough. Like we said, there's 50 different murals. It's going to be a little tough to put them all in one video, so we're going to give you a quick run down the road. Take a look at them.
Stories this train can probably tell.
We were talking about the weather. A little warm, but it's nice.
This is the hottest day so far, they're telling us.
It's like 91 degrees out, but we've got this nice breeze. We were thought, man, we're going to suffocate out here. It's been really nice.
No, it's a nice day. Yeah.
So we're going to have a good tour of this town. It's interesting that you have to go by the water. Want to see Paducah, downtown, got to go by the water.
And that's where it starts or ends. It's the connection of the Tennessee River and the Ohio River.
It's a very proud moment for us to be a part of this, where it all comes together.
Look at it. It is so hot here. It's in the high 90s, but the wind is awesome. These trees are blowing. And I'll tell you what, this is one of the more prettier riverfronts that I've seen.
If you've never seen a flood wall in a town that's on a river, see these notches? They actually have plates that go into place that keep the water out. And of course, the force of the water will keep the plate in place, and hopefully nobody's flooding. Well, look, we found a new hidey hole. New way to go. We just saw a car go through here. We didn't think we could go. It was closed a while ago. We couldn't go through here a while ago. Let's see. Yeah, it's a police car that went ahead of us, so okay. I guess we can do this.
The sky is amazing right now. Look at this. This is another part of the wall, the flood wall. Oh, look. Man.
That looks like a little amphitheater down there or something.
I think it is, because they do a lot of festivals in this town.
So one thing we've noticed about this downtown is a lot of trees that arch over.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's 20 degrees cooler when we walked than it is when you're in the sun here, because there's so many trees.
No kidding, guys. We have been through this wall now. This is our 6th time. And it's still just as fun.
Still, it's just as scary.
Look at this. It's like a roller coaster ride. Straight down. Man. You don't want bad brakes on this puppy. 6 times the charm. Okay, we're theater junkies. We've got a classic theater we're coming upon. Get ready,
Right.
guys.
Every downtown usually has an art gallery.
The Paducah Area Painters Alliance.
Yeah.
That's where they've taken all the artists and put them in one section.
Oh, that's
We're going to be
right.
hitting that a little bit later on, so hang on.
The Forever Sweet Creamery that you're seeing right now was Bryan Hotel. And you can kind of tell it that it would be a hotel. It goes back pretty far. It's got a couple different doors on the back that you can get into. You had to put your imagination there. The alley right here that they're kind of just showing that this was actually an old theater at one time. I assume wherever those lights are is where the theater was. Right now it's an alley.
See the building down here? Evidently it was built in 1883. In 1999 something happened. What do you think happened?
Oh, I don't know. I
It's
have no clue on
rededicated,
this
someone
one.
discovered it again
Yeah.
and said, hey, cool building. We need to do something with it. I like to say they've got public parking in Paducah and they don't charge you. I know. Look at this alley. You know we're going down it. Wow, you talk about some beautiful old school architecture. Look at this. And you can drive down this brick road. And check out this old Market House Theater. Oh, man, I like this. Looks like an old train station.
It used to be a courthouse.
Did.
Yep.
You're full of info today.
It's the second or third one, but yeah, it used to be a courthouse.
Oh, okay. Still cool. I mean, if you had to pay a parking ticket, that'd be a great place to go pay one. Wow. Tree-lined street, right in the middle of Kentucky. Look at this little end cut here. Go sit and have a coffee. And check out some jewelry.
So as we're walking down this area, this one street, it's a lot of pieces of the theater. You can tell up here at the top, the birds have been making their nests up in the old, I don't know what those are, the indentions of this building.
This is some kind of classroom. Drama, create, go and learn how to act. Vanessa like me to learn how to act, especially
And you know,
in public.
we don't know what this is, but it might have been something to do with a
Michael's store, maybe? Michael owned the place?
We'll have to look that one up as well. I just don't want to pass up things like this. This is just this paint and everything about this area, the buildings, you can walk too fast. And there's Jim strolling down the street.
It's just beautiful. One thing we figured out about Paducah, if you're going to be walking downtown, watch out for the stairs. They're going to get you if you're not careful.
This area is called the St. Clair Hotel. No, I'm sorry. This area is called the St. Clair Court. And there was actually a 3-story wooden hotel here. Was destroyed by fire in I think he said 1895. But the really cool thing about it is, for those of you all that are Charles Dickens fan, he actually performed here when he was in the United States on his tour.
I've never been enamored by a street before, but this is one of those that I think I'm getting kind of a thing for. I would love to live here and experience this anytime I felt like it. Look at this bakery. Look at that sign. This town easily rivals Midway, Kentucky for architecture and just, you're talking about a vibe. But I think the trees really add something here. Love
This
that
is the
sign.
bakery
I know.
that we were talking about.
We might have to go inside and get one of those 150-year-old pastries.
Let's go get something, won't we? Okay.
Okay. No, this place is 150 years old. The pastries are fresh. It's Kirchoff's Bakery. It was put here 1873.
So that is the cookie room.
Yeah,
and that's
Vanessa's
where we
already
decorate
inside,
all
so
these
I gotta get inside and check.
cakes.
Oh,
I actually got a cake back there I'm working on right now.
Oh, I love
the
this
second
place.
part where you see the flaps.
Yeah.
That's the main. That's like the main kitchen.
Yeah.
And that's where we make all the breads. Everything's made back there.
Okay.
We have a mixer back there that's 100 years old.
5 generations
Five
that have run this place?
Generations. Yep. All of these people on this wall are Kirchoffs, except for the gentleman on the end. His name's Josh Ryan. When this gentleman was running it, there was an explosion, and they decided to close the bakery. So this building was actually used as like storage, and it was other things, but Kirchoff's stopped existing. So it went from 1873 to like 1958. In 1997, they opened this iteration of Kirchoff's, and this has been ever since. So it's going on almost 30 years since it's been reopened. We use her every day.
And how old is she?
She's 100 years old.
So
Wow.
Bertha's held up really well.
Yes, she really has. So I'll turn her on for you.
She sounds good.
And
Y'all
quiet.
must be taking good care of Bertha.
We have been. But she's manual, so she doesn't do it on her own. You actually have to operate her. So like I have her in first gear now, and she spins.
And she's a Hobart?
It's a Hobart.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, but she's-
Model 2.
Model
she's
2?
Model 2. She's the second electric model that Hobart ever came out with. All the bagels made from scratch, all the cookies, the pastries, the Danish, everything you see we make by hand.
And they've got a deli.
Oh, wow, look at that. How far it goes
You
back.
guys- Wow.
These are oh yeah, it goes all the way back. So as far back as you see back there, that's how big the kitchen is in the back.
So this is one of the original stickers that they put on bread.
Yep, this one for sure. Like you can see how old and weathered it is.
Wow.
Like these were the stickers that they put on their products. This is a roll of the wax paper that they used to wrap the breads in when they went and delivered it for sale.
Well, I didn't expect to get this much history today.
Oh, there is a lot. And so this is the picture from the explosions.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
What caused the explosion?
The boiler exploded, that's it.
Wow.
So, and that's at the corner. So where those eat places, that's that corner right there where everybody in town showed up.
So these were the actual delivery vans back in the day.
Yep.
Okay, wow, history lesson. Now we got to get something. Oh. Wow, but what?
I don't know. The scones
No,
look
no.
good too. I think they're
Scones.
less sweet.
Chocolate chip cheesecake. Chocolate chip cheesecake. It all looks so good. Here we go. Loaded down for bear. Lots of sugar to
Watch your step.
help us chill. Literally, sugar crash. So that was the train station. I knew it.
That bakery was incredible. I mean, I love these old buildings anyway. That one has got a story that this young lady and her husband, they purchased it, they love it. You can tell it, and you've heard it in their voice. This road here that we walked down actually was where the old train would come through, and they would drop off all of the flour and the sugar. It's an incredible story, guys. You've got to come to Paducah, Kentucky.
Okay, let's take a look. Oh, what'd you get, the chest pie?
Yes.
Oh.
And it really looks good. Look at
this.
it. Look
The
at
apple
yours.
Danish. Yes.
Yeah, we'll report back in.
We're going to enjoy. Okay, hon, one of the things they say we've got to do when we come to Paducah is see the National Quilt Museum.
I know, we have read a lot about this actually. I'm not really into making quilts, but right over here.
It's huge, and we've got to see it, or at least drive by it.
The National Quilt Museum was established in 1991 and showcases a rotating selection of quilts of over 660 pieces, as well as traveling exhibits and educational programs from the U.S. and all around the world.
It's just another building that is just so cool.
And look at this ghost artwork. You just can't find this stuff everywhere. Look at the houses in these neighborhoods. This is just, wow. And it's for sale.
Does that look like a church next door to it? That's actually a
Kind
house.
of does, doesn't it? It does. Check out that. But wait, there's more. Look at this on the corner.
Oh, wow. I don't know. There's just something about houses like this that just, wow.
It's a little creepy, but awesome.
Wow. Okay, now that's a house.
Is that a house or a fire station?
I think it's a house. I really do. Oh, and how cute is that? Oh, goodness, look at that over there.
That old gas station that's been repurposed, of course. And then this house next door. Oh man, this should be on the ocean. It's got a widow's walk. Can you say 1950s, guys? Look at that motel.
Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and notification bell to follow our adventures and know when we publish a new video. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and tell your friends about us.
You might move in
Check
a little
out this
bit,
old
babe.
theater.
We're going to run over.
And remember,
Look at that. That is cool. Somebody's taken out those windows and has made a deck and lives there.
adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.